If you want to download free wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we can go to settings. Over here, scroll down a little bit and we need to choose wallpaper and style. And then go to change wallpapers and scroll all the way down. At the bottom you should be able to find get more wallpapers, so let's tap over here. We will open Galaxy themes with different wallpapers. You should also be able to switch, for example, to top, and on the left side we can switch from all to free so that we can see only free content. And for example, I'm gonna pick this wallpaper over here and I'm gonna press download at the bottom, and then we can press apply. Of course, we can choose to have it on the lock screen or home screen or both. I'm gonna keep for both, press next. And there we go. Now we can press done in the top right corner. And we have applied a new free wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you go back to the same settings as before, and if you go to change wallpapers, and if you scroll all the way down, you will see that the button is now gone, but you have this section with from Galaxy themes. So you can tap on this arrow on the right side in order to find the button again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!